Hello everyone, this is Real here again. So I'm going to demonstrate another blockchain application that is written based on Ethereum smart contract platform, so-called decentralized application, DApps. So the project name is Block for View. So which means it will enable the user to write the view online and uh, will be persisted into this smart contract platform Ethereum. So it can be persisted and is immutable. So this is the purpose of this project. So let me run this application first. npm run serve. Okay, the server is running here. This is S0 for the application. This project also uses the IPFS technology, so uh, to reduce the data size that we're going to persist into the Ethereum smart contract platform. So reason being the gas fee is directly proportional to the size of the data we're going to persist. So in this project, we also use IPFS technology, which is a free one, to partially move some of the data, for example, the image, to this IPFS. Let me initiate the IPFS statement first. So IPFS is running now. Okay, demo is ready. So now let me switch on my Chrome and go to the localhost S0. This is the home page of this view writing apps. I'll show the code later. So just to demonstrate the code first, once I go to this page, the MetaMask will be triggered. So we need to sign in first. So MetaMask is the wallet that contain Ether inside. So if you want to interact with the EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine, we need to have some Ether inside. So this is running against, currently is running against Ropsten testnet. Testnet. So it's being connected right now. So I'm going to write in some personal detail to create a view. So let's say this is my name. So this is my address. Okay, so view. Okay, so make it simple. My allocation I set. So I will say the first one is my HDB at HDB 685B Tampines Street 1. So this is level 3, 688, and with the postcode. Okay, so given to wife 100%, give to wife 100%. So my wife name Leong Wei Wei, Leong Viu Viu, for example. Okay, 100%. So secondly, the cash, all cash, 100% cash, give to wife as well, 100%. Leong Wei Wei. Of course, we can create some standard format or better form to let the user to fill in a more proper way. So this is the ID, person ID, 818181. So this need to be right in here as well. So this is two of the asset allocation. So according to Singapore law, we need to have an executor for the view. So which means he will be the one to ensure that everything in place to successfully transfer for this view writer to the successor. Okay, I choose the executed image. So simply any image. So now I need to upload this image to the IPFS first. So I'll show it here, the console. So upload the image. So uploaded to IPFS successfully already. So this is the H of this image. So the idea behind is this image will be persist to the node, IPFS node, which is a distributed node, which is a free service. Only this hash will go in together with all this writing, go into the EVM, Ethereum smart contract, together with this hash only. Okay, I'm going to submit my view. So confirm. So after the submission, we need to wait until Ethereum virtual machine to be mined, to have all this data persist to the Ethereum smart contract platform. Okay, normally it will take less than 1 minute. After I show the code, so it say the congratulations, your view has been persisted to block. So the same message appear over here. So this hash number over here of the view itself will make sure the integrity of the view. So this is a hash of the picture hash of the picture hash over here, and also all this content writing over here. So this will be a very important hash message, not only serve for searching purpose, but also prove the integrity of the view itself. Let me move on to this. Okay, let me copy it down. Okay, retrieve the view. So retrieve the view, I just need to put in the hash. So the idea behind it is the hash will be used in smart contract. The smart contract will have a searching function to search against the persistent block for this view writing and persist into the form over here. Retrieve. So this coming back already. So exactly the same. So there should be found validation over here. Integrity, the view integrity validation can be future improvement. So okay, now I'm going to show the code, the view writing code. So this is the code itself. This is the code is written in Solidity. Solidity is quite a simple one. So this is a view Solidity already being persisted to the smart contract platform. So basically there's a upload function, upload the view and get view count and retrieve back the view based on the view hash. Okay, so how we use this Solidity, basically after we compile using Solidity platform, after we compile, we have a contract.js, the JavaScript file. So inside JavaScript file, they will give us the persisted smart contract address, the contract address, and they'll give us the ABI, the application byte interface. So two of these will form this smart contract, and this smart contract will be used inside this uh, create view page as a JavaScript. So from here, we import the contract. So the contract, upon the user press the submit, upon the user press the upload to IPFS function, so the IPFS will get the executed image and persist to the IPFS itself. Okay, using this localhost. Then thereafter, the persist result, the return, is a return the hash. So this hash will put into the form. So the form will hold the IPFS, the image hash. So upon the user submit the view, so we'll see that the contract, we'll see that the contract method.upload, how to upload the images, sorry, how to upload the details and the asset allocation and the image H to the smart contract platform. Okay, so upon the retrieve, it's also the same. So we import the contract. So using the contract method retrieve view, upon the user press the retrieve view, the contract method to get view will help to get back the view and persist to the form. So this is for the hash. They get a hash back from the form itself, but they push it back into this method, the IPFS, to retrieve the binary code of the IPFS, the image in the IPFS, and recover it back to the web page itself. So this is the idea of the whole project over here. So perhaps I should show the Etherscan. So I have the contract address. This is a contract address. Let me double check. F75, okay. F75. So I just need to retrieve it. So this is a contract already in the Ethereum blockchain. It's supposed to show all the transaction I already persist over here, but somehow it didn't show. Maybe okay, maybe I trigger it from here. Contract iteration, copy. This transaction ID. Okay, this is the demonstration of my DApps for this block, the view writing. Thank you so much.